Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into how you can fix your cryptocurrency tax report step by step with clarity and confidence. Welcome to our channel. Fixing cryptocurrency tax reports can seem daunting at first, but breaking the process down into manageable steps makes it much easier to handle. Step 1. Gather all your crypto transaction records, including trades, buys, sells, and transfers from all your wallets and exchanges. This foundational step ensures you have the data needed for accurate reporting. Step 2. Organize your data by date, type, and transaction amount. Use spreadsheet software or specialized crypto tax software to sort your transactions, making sure each entry is complete and error-free is crucial for the next step. Step 3. Calculate your gains and losses for each transaction. To do this, subtract the cost basis or purchase price from the sale price. This step determines whether you had a taxable gain or deductible loss. Step 4. Identify the tax treatment of each transaction. Crypto is generally treated as property, so capital gains rules apply. Long-term gains refer to assets held over a year with potentially lower tax rates. Short-term gains are taxed at ordinary income rates, so classification matters greatly. Step 5. Fill out the correct tax forms, such as IRS Form 8949 and Schedule D in the U.S., or the relevant forms for your jurisdiction. Detail your transaction summaries and attach supporting documents if required. Step 6. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Errors can trigger audits or fines, so carefully review every item before submission. Using automated tools or professional tax advisors can add a layer of confidence. Step 7. File your reports on time and keep copies of your submissions and receipts for future reference. This documentation aids in any potential disputes or clarifications with tax authorities. Remember, staying organized, consistent, and informed about current crypto tax laws is key to avoiding issues. Fixing your cryptocurrency tax reports may seem complex, but with a clear step-by-step approach, you can navigate it successfully. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content.